Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use hibiscus to double hair growth, stop hair breakage, moisturize your hair. In return, it will grow your hair like crazy. In order to maximize its benefits, I'm going to be incorporating other natural ingredients like rosemary, cloves, and moringa powder. All you need to do is be consistent at applying it to your hair, and your hair will grow like never before. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Grab a seat and let's get into it. So the first method that we're going to be making is the hair growth spray. So our main ingredient is hibiscus flower. You can also use hibiscus powder as well. The choice is yours. Hibiscus is loaded with nutrients and minerals that can help with hair loss. It conditions your scalp. It's loaded with vitamin C. It boosts new hair follicles by stimulating hair growth. Hibiscus helps to nourish your hair, promote hair growth, soften your hair, and it's amazing for dandruffs. Our next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is moringa powder. Moringa powder is a powerful house when it comes to natural ingredients that helps to boost hair thinning and hair growth overall. So one of the most important benefits of moringa is that it helps to boost and double hair growth like never before. Moringa is packed with nutrients and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, and iron as well. Moringa is amazing for those that have fine to thin hair. Moringa helps to thicken your hair over time. So if you're trying to achieve thicker hair, so I would suggest incorporate moringa into your hair care routine. This could be in the form of spray, hair oil, or hair mask. Our next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is cloves. We love cloves on this channel because it's very effective, not only for hair growth, but also to helps to reduce hair breakage. Cloves helps to strengthen your hair. It's amazing for dandruffs, which is the cause of weak and thin hair. It contains vitamin K. It helps to reduce hair fall. You can also use cloves to treat flaky scalp as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a mason jar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add all my ingredients. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, 1 tablespoon of cloves, and 2 hibiscus flower. A little goes a long way, okay? These ingredients are very powerful on their own. So just imagine incorporating 3 of them together. So 1 spoon of moringa and cloves and 2 hibiscus should be fine. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add hot water. So make sure your water is extremely hot so that the ingredient can infuse correctly. Once I'm done adding my hot water, I went ahead and mixed everything together. I'm going to allow it to infuse for about 12 hours. So I'm going to cover the mason jar. I'm going to place it in a dark corner for 12 hours to infuse. You can infuse it for longer as well if you like. The choice is yours. You can infuse it for 48 hours. It's up to you. After 12 hours, this is how it's looking like. As you guys can see, the ingredient has infused into the water as the water has changed color. So I'm going to go ahead and strain it out. You can use this spray to hydrate your hair. Apply it to your scalp if you have any scalp issues. Use it to double hair growth. You can apply it to your edges, your crown section, and the back of your hair. Basically, you want to apply it to your problem areas, then you want to massage it in. Once I'm done, this is how it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and transfer the spray into my application bottle. So you can also add essential oil if you like. Use it 3 times a week, and don't forget to follow up with your hair butter after applying the spray to your hair. So that's the first method done. Very easy and very effective as well. So I'm going to move on to our second method. Our next method is hair mask or hair treatment. So you're going to need hibiscus powder, fenugreek powder, and aloe vera powder. I'm going to grab myself a bowl, then I'm going to add all my ingredients. Fenugreek seed are a good source of protein and iron, which are essential for hair growth. Some studies have suggested that fenugreek can contribute to the overall hair health and promote hair growth. It nourishes the scalp and follicles. Fenugreek seed helps to strengthen the hair follicles, potentially reducing breakage and promoting healthy hair growth. Next, I'm going to add hibiscus powder. If you don't have hibiscus powder, you can also use hibiscus flower as well. So what you want to do is add your hibiscus flower into the blender, then blend, then you can use it. The next thing I'm going to be adding is aloe vera powder. You can also use fresh aloe vera, or you can use aloe vera juice as well. Aloe vera helps to slow down hair breakage and hair loss, in return promoting healthy hair growth. Due to its moisturizing properties, aloe vera is amazing for dry hair. A research has shown that aloe vera can also help to relieve dandruffs. Our next ingredient is coconut milk. Coconut milk nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth. Regular use of coconut milk for hair growth can lead to a fuller hair, stronger, which is longer, silk, and smooth hair. Coconut milk can help to repair damaged hair, and it can also help to improve scalp health as well. Once I'm done adding all my ingredients, I mix everything together. So I added 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Next, I'm going to be adding my chosen oil. I'm going to add grapeseed oil. You can add any oil of your choice. So I added about 5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You can apply this hair mask or hair treatment once a month and watch your hair grow and improve overall. So that's our second method done. Now I'm going to move on to our third method. So our third method is going to be hair growth oil. So the first thing you're going to need is a mason jar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chosen oil. I'm going to be making use of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil helps to seal in moisture to your hair. It's amazing for split end. It reduces dandruffs. It strengthens weak and brittle hair. It restores shine to the hair. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight oil, which means it can easily penetrate into your hair shaft, and it's a great option for those that have thin hair. Next oil that I'm going to be adding is almond oil. Applying almond oil to your hair and scalp promotes blood flow to the root, encouraging hair growth and strengthening the hair. Almond oil softens your hair over time. Using almond oil on a daily basis, you will notice that your hair is so much easier to manage. Using almond oil to treat your hair can make your hair less prone to breakage and split end. Almond oil can also be used as a treatment for a flaky scalp. So you can use any oil of your choice. Don't feel the need to use the same oil that I'm using in today's video. The oil that I'm using in today's video works amazing for my kids' hair. So use what works well for your hair. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding is aloe vera powder. If your scalp is sensitive to aloe vera, then you want to use neem powder. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder. Next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is hibiscus powder. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder. So you guys already know the benefits of this ingredient because I'm using the same ingredient that I use for the hair treatment. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is moringa powder. I love me moringa powder. It's so powerful, very effective as well when you're talking about hair thickness. So if your hair is on the thin side, you definitely want to incorporate moringa into your hair care routine, as this will help to thicken your hair in no time. Our final ingredient that I'm going to be adding is cloves. So I went ahead and blend my cloves into powder form. Then I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cloves into the mason jar. Once I'm done adding all my ingredients, I went ahead and mixed everything together. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the double boiler method and the 24 hours infusion as well. So we're going to be doing both methods in today's video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pan, then I'm going to add hot water into the pan, then I'm going to place the mason jar into the pan, then transfer the pan to the stove. I'm going to allow the mason jar to sit in the boiling water for about 15 minutes. So guys, if you guys are still watching this video to this point, thank you guys so much for the love and support on this channel. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if these are the type of content you enjoy watching. So after 15 minutes, this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and infuse it for 24 hours. You can also infuse it longer as well. The choice is yours. I'm going to cover the mason jar, then I'm going to place the mason jar in a dark corner for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain it out. Remember that the ingredient that we added are all powder form, so you want to make sure that the cheesecloth that you're using has a tiny hole so that the ingredient doesn't escape into your oil. You can purchase your cheesecloth from your local supermarket, or you can also use wig cap as well, or you can use whatever you have as long as it has a tiny hose. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very beneficial for our hair. It helps to moisturize, strengthen, and promote hair growth. It can help to reduce frizz, protect against damaged hair, improve overall health, control frizz, control dandruffs, stimulate circulation to the scalp, nourish and strengthen the hair follicles to grow much faster. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that potentially nourish the hair, including vitamin C, B, E, and zinc. Jojoba oil can also help to reduce hair loss and promote hair thickness. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil promotes healthy hair growth, moisturize dry hair, prevent hair breakage, and split end as well. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. I'm also going to be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to support healthy scalp and hair. Once I'm done adding all my ingredients, I went ahead and mixed everything together, and this is how it's looking like. Once I'm done mixing, I went ahead and transferred the oil into my applicator bottle for easy use. So what I love about this oil is that you can pretty much use it in so many different ways. You can use it as a hot oil treatment, apply it to your scalp if you have any scalp issues, apply it to your edges if your edges are pulling out. Use it to promote hair growth. Use it to seal in moisture to your hair. You can also use it as a pre-poo. You want to apply this oil to your hair twice a week to help to double hair growth, stop hair breakage, and treat your scalp if you have any scalp issues. So guys, I have shown you how to use Hibiscus 3 ways to stop hair breakage and double hair growth. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.